All right, looks like we are live. So we've got a few minutes till market open. To be honest, a lot of the move that I wanted to see today and this week already kind of happened. Yesterday I talked on our weekly outlook about this September 26th high I wanted to see us take out, and we did. So now I don't really have anything else I'm looking at. Like, ideally, if we really are bullish, we can make our way through this 4-hour gap up here. But there's no flat areas in price nearby, as obvious as this was, as obvious as that September 26th high. So the next couple things I can look at are, if this is manipulation, then we could see distribution back down here. So like all of this. This would be like low resistance liquidity. So pretty interesting. And I've got a couple funded accounts I might trade, but I'm definitely trading live today if I get the setup. So I would still expect us to take out that that low up there. Let me see if we can fix this as well. Cool. All right. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Sorry about that, guys. So that's probably messed up on here too. I'm gonna just go ahead and fix it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, not too bad. I'll clean that up later too. All right, so we're starting to get a rejection over here. If we zoom way in, we haven't taken out that level though, like in a clean way. So I really wouldn't be surprised if we actually go make our way back there. Nothing I feel super confident in yet. I'm not going long here. We'll just watch to see if this might be manipulation. So Um, yeah, she dumping. All right, market open in just a second. I wouldn't be surprised if we just pop right into here and uh get support off that 5 minute fair value gap, but you always got to be careful because if it's that clean, it can be just as clean on the way down, and that would be manipulation. And I wouldn't necessarily short either with this drawn liquidity up here that might not even be taken out fully. So here comes that reaction. We're gonna zoom in. Yeah, there's that positive reaction. Let's see how strong it is. It looks pretty freaking strong. And that level up there isn't really taken out, so I wouldn't be surprised if we go launch up at all. I'm gonna test longs on the eval accounts. We'll take it just to that high. Yep, and that high just got taken out. So that quick little scalp just on inverse in that. Okay, now that level's taken out. There's a fair value gap to the left on the 1 minute chart. Oh my god. I wouldn't want to be in a trade here. There like that those wicks are not cool. So right now, if I had to pick a direction, this would be a bearish. This would be a bearish look, but because of that wick, I wouldn't short. It's just the type of thing where it can go either way. And honestly, if we break above that low, I want to see if we can make our way down, or what's the plan. Very cool. All right, let's see what happens here.
Order filled.
Very cool. All right, we're gonna I'm scalping that on the eval. I'm not calling these out because they're not really trades on anything higher than the 15-second chart right here. Nice. Yeah, there's no actual setups right now, unfortunately, because I've got my live account, but I haven't touched anything. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna go close that daily fair value gap if I had to guess. At this point, with the kind of displacement we just got, we closed above that high. My biggest issue here is that besides that, there's just no clear target, so it seemed like a lot to aim for. But if we can get a safer entry, I'll take it. Maybe if we get a 5-minute close above here. This thing doesn't look like it wants to stop. All right. Um, not quite any entries yet. I mean, we are getting a pullback, but nothing yet. All right, still no entry. All right, now we've got a 2-minute fair value gap. I'll try it. Oh, we might not even get an entry. Dude, my trade evate's locked, bro. I can't even take a trade. I was looking at that 2 minute fair value gap, and I'm just testing why my orders don't work. So I gotta figure that out right now. Sucks. Ah, maybe I figured it out. Okay. All right. Well, if I was able to pay attention to the charts, I think right here I would generally be interested in testing longs. We've got, I think the 5 minute fair value gap is now open. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's rejecting my orders, and I don't know why. I'm gonna have to just take this unfunded. All right. Okay, we'll see. Um, in the meantime, I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on. Yeah, that. It's working on the funded accounts. Um, let's see. If we take out the highs, you would move stop over break even. I want to take out ideally 26.96. That's where I'm aiming. Yeah, that shit's blowing up. Um, there she goes. Damn, bro. That hurts. I was gonna put real money on that. Yeah, I'm still in longs. That's just a bummer though. Um, cause like funded to me is basically like trading with paper money. You might as well like not even be trading because uh It's cool though. Like it's cool for practice. That's why I like having it. It makes you build some good risk management habits and consistency habits. Look, there she goes. Oh my god, bro. Oh man, because I'm up like 1,500 on the on this trade on the eval, and I would be, up just as much had this been my live account. I'm gonna go ahead and close the trade here, just so I can stop looking at the chart. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh damn! I think I left the trade open on my other shit. Yeah, damn. That's a bummer. God, it's whatever. I just want to know why my trade evade's locked, bro. Makes no sense. And I know everybody says don't trade Mondays, but like look at the price action, bro. This is exactly the type of day you want to be trading. So I think the risk settings locked me out, but the problem is that was last week, so I don't know what the deal is this week. Maybe that weekly or weekly profit trigger is like a week long, like 7 days. But I don't know. All right, well I'm gonna honestly stop the stream because I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna figure out what's going on with my account. I mean, I did call out that 2 minute fair value gap. Um, like I got a little eval trade. But yeah, that's a bummer for me. And sometimes this happens. You just got to deal with it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully, we'll get some bangers for y'all next time.